This video, we're going to talk about 2.3 Objective 2. We're going to solve some application problems that involve adding fractions and mixed numbers. So to cut expenses, a carpenter sometimes glues two kinds of plywood together. He glues a 1/4 inch piece of walnut plywood to a 5/8 piece of less expensive plywood. What is the total thickness? So what's 1/4 plus 5/8? Change this to eighths to make that 2/8 plus 5/8 is 7/8 of an inch. Now consider the two pieces of tubing, 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch, and the two washers that are 1/16 of an inch each, and a nut that is 5/16 of an inch thick. So we're looking at all of these things here that the bolt has to pass through. So let's add 1/2 plus 3/4 plus 2/16 plus 5/16. The reason I wrote 2/16 is because this is 1/16 plus another 16th. If you want to write that, it looks like our common denominator here is going to be 16. So let's make that 8/16 plus 12/16 plus 1/16 plus another 1/16 plus 5/16, 21, 22, and 27/16. So that is 1 and 11/16. And the bolt smallest bolt that would pass through it is going to be 1 and 11/16 inches. They're going to measure the bolt. They're not going to say 27/16. They're going to say 1 and 11/16. So that would get me just to the end of that nut there without any bolt hanging off at the end. How much bar stock is needed to make bars of lengths 8 1/4, 11 1/16, 4 and 25/32. Let's change everything to 30 seconds. This is 8 and 8/32. This is 11 and 2/32. This is 4 and 25/32. Gives me 10, 35/32, 9, 13, 23. So this is 24 and 3/32. Freighter container is 82 and 1/10 inches wide. A freight forwarder has 3 boxes that have widths of 25 and 11/16, 30 and 1/8, 26 and 1/4. So let's change these to 16ths. Uh, 11, 13, 17, 16, 6, 11, 3, 6, 8, and this is 82 and 1/16, and 1/16 is 0, 0, 1, no, 0, 0, 6, 96, so on. So this is 82.06 something. So yeah, it will. This is 81 and I'm sorry, 82 and 1/16 inches. So yes, because that's smaller than the 82 1/10 of an inch. Find the unknown length. We haven't done any subtraction yet, but we'll probably do some subtraction here. So this is, let's first add the two pieces that we know. 3.5 plus 2 1/4 is 3 2/4 plus 2 1/4 is 5 3/4. We want to take that 5 3/4 away from the 15.5 that we have to find the distance that's remaining there. So that's going to be 15 2/4 minus 5 3/4. We're going to have to borrow 4, and then 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3/4. 14 minus 5 is 9. So this remaining distance is 9 3/4. And that is it for this video. We will come back next time and we will talk about 2.3 objective 3. See you for the next video.